Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Remember, we have set a playlist on how to create CPA marketing accounts and how to make money on CPA marketing networks. Now, the first account we started off with is a CPA grip account because it has instant approval and the steps for making an account on it is very easy, and they have so many high-paying offers which a new beginner can promote on their social networks and make an extra income. The next step I did is to create show you guys on how to create a landing page using ChatGPT and using landingpage.io, my high efficient AI networks, which can help you create a landing page without any website coding experience needed. Now, once you create a landing page, remember we got zip files like this one. Yeah, for example, there's a zip file here which I've unzipped. So let's open it. So remember we created this high converting landing page using landingpage.io and ChatGPT. And once you create a landing page, the next thing you get is a zipped file containing the details of your landing page. It is usually in form of a index HTML file. Index HTML file. Now, this is the particular you see now this is the opened file, this is the zipped file of this one. So we need now to add this zip file on a hosting domain site. Remember now, for now that part, we have various types of hosting domain sites, and the others offer free hosting services and paid services. The main ones are the ones which I mainly use is this one, Bluehost. They are very cheap, starting from $2 per month and going forth for hosting your landing pages or your websites. Netlify, they are very nice. Namecheap, this is my favorite. I pay around $4 per month for the hosting services of my CPA marketing domains. Then have InfinityFree. They offer both free and paid domain hosting services, but they are very, very affordable. But the cool thing, if you understand how to host a website or a landing page on either of these domains, the process is the same. So if you understand how to do it on InfinityFree, you can be sure you'll be able to do it for Namecheap, Netlify, Bluehost, Hostinger, and among others. I was not able to list all of them. These are just a few of them which I am familiar with, and the ones which I work with. But I'll post the link for each of them under the description of this video. So in this video, we are going to do a demo or a tutorial using InfinityFree because I already have an account there. So now let's go to my InfinityFree account, this one. I've already opened this account. It's a new account. I'm hosting one services here called OnlineEarnHunter.com. But you can also, for the free account, you can host a maximum of 3 domains. So once you create an account using Gmail or whichever options among the listed options there, this is the first page you are going to be brought to under hosting accounts. So assuming you don't have an account, just create an account here for the hosting services. So let me create now. So you can see once you click create an account, they come to the choosing hosting plan. Remember, they have a starter plan which is a very cheap, $2.50 per month, up to the highest is around $7.10 per month, and they are billed yearly. You see, this is a billed yearly, so you can go for monthly, whichever option is best. But us, we want a free service, so we are going for InfinityFree. So just click create now. Make sure you follow the steps I'm going through. So here you have to confirm you are a human and you are not a robot. So click verifying, success. Now here is where now you choose your name. For example, I've already used OnlineEarnHunter, so I can use what? Online Money Guru. I'm just finding just a name for doing a tutorial. So Online Money Guru. So here, the reason why it's a free domain, they give you domain extensions. You don't have the luxury of using your name and an ending for your domain. So here they give you a what? They give you a domain section whereby now you choose the free domain that you need. So I've already used qsig.com. Let me try to use wooze.com, like that. So remember, for the free domain, they give you a domain to select. If you're going to get for a premium subscription, it will just be your subdomain name and a name, either .com, .org, or .net. But this is a free domain, you have an extra name here, wooze.com. So once you select your name there, check availability. If it's available, you're going to proceed to this page now. So leave these things the way they are here. Then here under email consent, click approve, like that. Everything leave the way it is here. Under email consent, just select approve, then click create account. So save. So setting up an account can take a few minutes to 72 hours. Let's hope ours will be a few minutes before you proceed. Taran, we are perfect. Ours just took a few minutes. So now once your domain is approved, this is the page that you come to, and it tells you the status of your domain, which is active, and the hosting plan is a free plan, but you can be able to upgrade the plan. So once on this page, you can either click here manage, or you can click here file manager. So even if you click here, let's see, if you click manager here, manage, it's going to bring you to the option of file manager. Let's see what will happen when you click manage now. If you click file manager here, it will take you directly to the file manager section. You see? But one thing I want you to note, even if you come back here, click manage again here, then scroll down, click open file manager, it's going to the same place. So both options lead you to the same place. Hope you understand that. So you can see here and here is the same, but it's better to click this one. It's better to come, this is the best option. The best option is to click manage here, then come open in file manager here, and it's going to bring you to the file manager section. So use this option, this is the best. This is the best. So let me delete these ones. So this is the best option. Now once on this page, you are supposed now to upload your zipped file here. So just come click upload, click zip and extract, choose your file location. Mine is under documents, under landing pages. We are using this one. So always upload a zipped file. So we are going to upload this one. This one, click. Then once you attach your file, click upload and extract. And that's everything that you need to know. In all the hosting websites, the adding of once you create a domain name, you're directed to the file manager where you add your zip file, extract it there, and you're good to go. Now we are all set up. So let me now go to our website, this one, onlinemoniguru.wooze.com. Since it's a free domain, so it should now open to our offer page on our landing page. Ta-da! And that's how you do it. Simple and sweet. That's very, very easy. So I hope you have gotten value from this video. And if you think you are lost, go back to the video, watch step by step slowly, and you're going to realize that hosting a landing page on a domain is very, very easy, and the same process applies in all other hosting sites. They all work the same. So if you understand how to do it on InfinityFree, you'll be sure that you'll be able to do it for the others. So that's how you do free hosting. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Remember, this is the #1 YouTube channel for your online earning tricks and tutorials. Remember, we have started a tutorial on doing CPA marketing, and if you follow my content from now up to the end, I'm going to show you how to create a CPA marketing account, how to create offer pages, landing pages, how to host them on your domains, and how to drive traffic to your to your hosted landing pages. So the next step now is just driving traffic to your high converting landing page, where, and remember, in your landing page you have your affiliate links. So if you drive traffic now to this website here, or your landing page here, and people complete offers here, either like the email submit offers, you're going to get paid. It's as simple as that. So the next challenge is now driving traffic to your to your landing page hosted on a domain. Once you are able to maneuver those driving traffic to your domain landing page website, you are good to go, and you can make crazy amount of money. So if you enjoy my content, always comment under the comment section of the videos. If I missed something, always feel free to tell me under the comment section. I usually reply every single comment under my videos. So thank you for watching. Keep it locked to my next video.